back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Melissa. If you are returning, welcome back. I know I went AWOL for a little bit. Don't be mad at me. I love you. I'm always there with you in spirit. I really love you guys. But yeah, I went AWOL for a little bit. Life kind of got a little overwhelming. But yeah, I'm here and I want to talk about a manifestation method that has really helped me manifest a lot into my reality, and that is the 369 method. So honestly, I'm not very good at math, so a lot of it goes over my head. But someone who is very good at math, Nikola Tesla, was obsessed with these three numbers, 3, 6, and 9, and he basically called these the foundation to the universe. What I do understand is our connection to this higher power, this universe, and how much the universe is able to deliver what we want into our reality. And what I do understand a lot is the power of manifestation. So manifestation is basically acting like you already have something to bring it into your reality. So how people explain, how I explain manifestation is that the universe doesn't know the difference. So if you're vibrating at a certain frequency and you are vibrating at a frequency where what you desire is already yours, so basically acting like you already have these things you desire, the universe doesn't know the difference. All it knows is vibration, so it delivers these things to you. So yeah, make sure when you're manifesting to attach the emotion of already having it into your manifestation. So as I keep talking, I'm hoping this is gonna make more sense. So basically the 369 method is you're gonna manifest 3 times a day. You can do this for as long as you want. You could do it a couple days, you could do it for a month, you could do it every day, every single day. You can incorporate it into your journaling. I recommend trying to do this every day for a month, and just like looking back, you're gonna be like, oh, it works. Yeah, so like the first time I tried manifesting, I was like, well, let me just see, whatever. It was kind of cheering me up. And then it started working and I was like, oh, wow, okay, I see. So 369 method. Basically, these numbers are the key to the universe. So in the morning, you're gonna write down your manifestation 3 times. So basically, I'm gonna use my example. So 3 times in the morning, I'll write living on a beach, living on a beach, living on a beach. That's what I'm manifesting right now. If you guys want to collectively help me, please go for it. Picture me living on a beach and being very happy on a beach. And then in the afternoon, you're going to write your intention 6 times. So I am living on a beach. I am living on a beach. I am living on a beach. I'm living on a beach. I'm living on a beach. I'm living on a beach. You're gonna attach the emotion of, like, you know, the sun on your skin and the sound of the waves in your ears and the smell of the salt water, like all that yummy stuff. The birds. Oh, okay. And then 9 times at night before bed, you're going to write your intention again, and you're gonna act like you already have it, and you're gonna show gratitude. So 9 times you're gonna write, again, keeping with my example, I'm living on a beach, thank you universe. I'm living on a beach, thank you universe. I'm living on a beach, thank you universe. 9 times. I think my dog's gonna go bark. We'll see. If she does, I'll give this a little pause. So yeah, that's the 369 method. I really love this method. I find it helps keep you disciplined because you're manifesting like 3 times a day, so you're coming back to it again and again and again and again. So on the topic of vibrations, I didn't script this, so I'm kind of going off topic here, but on the topic of vibrations, as I spoke about, the universe, it only picks up on your vibration. So if you're vibrating as if this thing is already yours. It doesn't know the difference, and it delivers. So a way to align your vibration with that of the universe is to listen to frequencies. So in the morning, whenever during the day, put on some frequencies on YouTube. I'll link a few I like in the description for you guys. My favorite is 432 because this is the vibration of the universe. So it just gets your vibration in line with that of the universe and helps you communicate with the universe. So instead of listening to, you know, radio music, which is like way down here and the universe is way up here, how are you gonna talk to the universe if you're not on the same radio channel, right? So yeah, I'm gonna link that below because I think it's so magical. Yeah, and then another thing, like last thing I like to incorporate into my manifestation routine, so is crystals. So I'll show you a few of my favorite manifestation crystals. So clear quartz, love clear quartz. It amplifies your intention. So whatever it is, it amplifies it. So pyrite is great for manifesting money. So I actually have like a few $100 bills on my counter and I pyrite on top of it. Yeah, so pyrite manifests intentions. This is great for manifesting. So amethyst, I actually have, I don't know if this looks a little crazy for people who don't love crystals. I have a huge amethyst just facing me all day. Yeah, so, and then Amazonite, also great for manifesting. So these rocks, you can place it on top of your paper that you're using to manifest. You can put it under your pillow. You can keep it in your pocket. You can put the pyrite over money. So yeah, just having some rocks with you is weirdly very helpful. So yeah, that is what I wanted to talk about, the 369 method. Yeah, so if you have any questions in the comments, I'm always happy to answer. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So I wanted to, as much as I want to live on a beach, I wanted to show you guys the beauty of the snow globe I'm living in right now. It's December 4th right now, and we just had our first snowfall. So look how pretty it looks. My dog does not like the snow. She's coming back inside immediately. So yeah, it's honestly super pretty when everything's covered in white. But yeah, I do prefer the palm trees and the ocean and all that fun stuff. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I love making these videos, and I hope you have a beautiful day.